What's up, people? How you doing, man? This is my 5th video in the installment of how to get rich and how to acquire wealth. You need to act the part. Not only do you need to act the part, dress the part, speak the part in your search, in your hunt to become rich and wealthy. When you are trying to become something, honestly, it's a good idea to adopt some habits. You see, when you think about success, the quickest and the shortest way to your achievement is to act the part. You see a lot of people, they dress very successful even though they might not have a dime to their money, or they might just be starting out. So they have a nice decent suit, decent pair of slacks, if you're a guy, nice clean pair of shoes. It doesn't have to be expensive. Nice button-up shirts, buy you some simple ties, $10 a tie, you could get them cheap. It's all on how you put those things together. So when you're stepping out, man, be sharp. Ladies, be sharp too. Have your hair groomed up, your nails groomed up and done, you know, nice shoes. Guys, have your shoes polished if you do polish your shoes. If not, and they're just slacks or sneakers, make sure they're clean. You know, just look successful, because when you appear to be successful, people will treat you a certain way and doors will begin to open up for you. If you have a car and it's not a brand new luxury car, it's just a regular, you know, mediocre car, keep it clean. You know, make sure you get your car washed, you know, and clean and waxed, and make sure your car is smelling good. When people see you pull up in your car, it doesn't matter how old it is, you know, they say, damn, this dude, he takes care of his car. It'll say a lot about who you are. You know, successful people are very well organized and clean, you know, in detail, because that organization and that disciplined behavior of being detailed, it helps their productivity in their daily business. So, like I said, man, take care of yourself, groom yourself, and play the part. So, if you are an untidy person, a nasty person, I think it's a great idea for you to start being clean if you're trying to be successful, because people are going to see you in a different light. You know, if your place is messy and sloppy, if things are all over the place, and you have a lot of work, and you feel like it's overwhelming to attack that work and get it clean all at once, take 1 or 2 hours a day and start cleaning up your place. You'll see how beneficial it becomes for you if you do that. So start taking care of yourself, clean up your place, dress the part. And a next tip, try to speak like you have some sense, man. Try to come off very intelligently. I mean, go pick up some books, read some books on how, you know, whatever you're studying or whatever field you're trying to get into, learn how to speak like you know what you're talking about. Understand? Come off intelligently. Even if you dropped out of school, you didn't graduate, try your best to sound like you have some education. Try to sound like you just stepped out of college like a few weeks ago, honestly, because people are going to judge you instantaneously by the words that come out of your mouth. And you don't want people to be like, oh, I don't want to mess with this guy because he sounds like a total moron. He doesn't know what the fuck he's talking about. And the most convincing person could be the person that is very freaking dumb as fuck, but if they sound like they know what they're talking about, trust me, they're going to win the crowd. So you're going to have to do that, man. Try to read some books and learn about what you're talking about, whether it doesn't matter what the topic is. Educate yourself. That's the key thing. I'm constantly reading every day, books, flyers, magazine. I'm on my phone and I'm going on Google and I'm reading the news, what's popping, what's hot. You know, keeping my brain bubbling. You understand? Always bouncing around and, you know, diving into different topics and subjects, politics and all that. You know, that's why I like watching Jeopardy. That's why I'm a big Jeopardy viewer, because it keeps my intellectual trivia up to date, and everything is possible. You know, so try your best, man. Play the part. You want to be rich, you want to be successful, play the part. Become intelligent, become smart, know what you're talking about, dress the part, be clean, be organized, and trust me, when people see that, more success will come to you. All right? See you on the next video. Peace.